Hi everyone, this is Eleanor Memorybooks again with a junk journal with me session how to journal, how to use a journal. So for this video I will use different kind of scraps I had in my drawer, and as you see this beautiful drawing. My eldest girl actually drawed a couple years ago. It was not a drawing. She did this artwork for an exam class to like an art class, and they had to do it with some kind of material. They can choose it by themselves. So she painted this actually with nail polish and different kind of makeups like eyeshadow and eyeliners and so on. And I really loved this artwork with the like a girl who held a pineapple in front of her face. Actually, she was a girl like that. She was in her first class, and she was a little shy, and so it represented herself. And as you see, I use some different washi tapes to decorate this page. I was in the mood to collage and to decorate with my scraps. I just made some junk journals, and the papers, the little scraps, I always use for my next projects, or of course in my own personal junk journal, so I can look at the beautiful papers. And this is two pieces of beautiful vintage wallpaper. I really love to work with wallpaper for as a cover to make junk journal, but also to make pockets or to collage with, to make journal tags. This piece of clothing tag you see was for my little daughter, and I also love to use beautiful clothing tags and labels to put in my junk journal. And one tip or advice, you can see there I use a big old this was a agenda, and I don't use it. It was from 2020, but I use that to glue my little papers, because sometimes it can get very sticky. So that's an idea, to use old books as an underground for gluing your paper so you don't make a mess. And I will use that little piece of avocado dyed paper as a journal spot to journal something. I also love to use tape or washi tape to decorate, of course, but to place papers so it will stick. It will be in place. So that's another advice, to use glue and also washi tape to make it stay. And as you can see, I used a little bit glue for the washi tape because not all washi tape is super sticky. And yes, almost the end of this video, and I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you got some inspiration. And also we'll do some journaling in your junk journal, or to keep your memories in your journal. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.